Favie AI has just been released, and if you're wondering whether it's worth your time or just another AI tool in the sea of options, this review will break down the 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know. Stick with me until the end because I'm about to share insights on whether Favie AI truly lives up to the hype, and you won't want to miss the hidden features it offers that could change the way you work with AI software. Let's dive right in. First off, Favie AI is an impressive new player in the world of AI tools. What makes it stand out from the competition is its focus on both simplicity and powerful features. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using it effectively, which is a big plus for those who want quick results without a steep learning curve. One of the most exciting aspects of Favie AI is its versatility. Whether you're working on content creation, marketing automation, or customer support, this software has you covered. It's designed to be an all-in-one solution, so you don't need to juggle multiple tools to get the job done. The real kicker here is how intuitive the user interface is, making it easy for anyone, even complete beginners, to set up and start using the software. Next, let's talk about its speed and efficiency. Favie AI is incredibly fast, which is a game changer in today's fast-paced digital world. It doesn't just perform tasks quickly, but also delivers quality results that make it stand out in the crowded AI space. So if you're someone who needs results on the go, this could be exactly what you're looking for. Another feature I'm particularly impressed by is Favie's integration options. Unlike other software that can be a bit finicky with third-party integrations, Favie plays well with a wide range of tools you might already be using. Whether it's your email platform, CRM, or project management software, you'll have no trouble getting things connected and running smoothly. This level of flexibility is a major plus for anyone looking to streamline their workflows without switching everything up. Now, here's something that truly differentiates Favie from a lot of other AI tools: its ability to adapt to your needs. As you use the software, it learns more about your preferences and gets better at predicting and automating tasks. This dynamic learning approach ensures that Favie isn't just a one-time solution, but an evolving tool that grows with you. If you're concerned about affordability, you're in luck. Favie offers a free trial so you can experience everything it has to offer without committing financially right off the bat. This is perfect for anyone who wants to test the waters before diving in. And let me tell you, the free version is no slouch. You'll be able to access a significant number of features that will give you a clear picture of the software's potential. However, one thing I'd note is that while Favie AI is user-friendly, there are some advanced features that require a little more time to master. But don't let that deter you. This is a tool that can scale with your skills. And the learning curve isn't steep enough to discourage anyone, but it's something to keep in mind if you want to make the most out of its more complex functionalities. So, is Favie AI the best AI software just released? Well, I'd say it has a lot of potential, especially if you're someone who's looking for a versatile, easy to use, and fast solution to boost your workflow. The real magic lies in how well it integrates with other tools and how quickly it learns and adapts to your needs. Before you go, don't forget that you can try Favie AI for free by clicking the first link below. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I've curated a list of the best ones in the description, so you can see firsthand which ones live up to the hype. If you're curious about trying Favie or other AI software, I've got you covered with the best recommendations based on real experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.